everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to take you through the process of installing a residential solar system. We'll show you the step-by-step process on how solar panels are installed and the benefits they can bring to your home or business. Alright, let's jump right in. Here we are installing an 8.72 kilowatt solar system. This consists of 16 solar panels and 8 DS3 microinverters. First off, we start with conducting a site evaluation and assessing the roof one last time before the work begins. Once the initial evaluation and setup is complete, we move on to setting up the flashings. You'll see that we start with the first row, getting everything ready and properly spaced out. Now that the flashings are ready to go, we start setting up the L feet for the kinetic railing.
We fit this loose for now to get the railing nice and straight.
We double and sometimes triple check to make sure our railing is all nice and square so our solar panels look nice and even on the roof. Now that we're finished with that, we can start with wiring the solar deck and grounding the kinetic railing. During this, another one of our team members is on the ground and starts installing the combiner panel and disconnect switch. Now that the wiring is complete, we can mount the microinverters. Before we start lifting panels up to the roof, we need to connect the trunk cable to the microinverters. We we make sure to check all connections before we get the panels in place, as this can save us lots of time in the future for troubleshooting calls. Looks awesome! Finally, we get to installing the solar panels. Once everything looks good and is lined up, we screw them into the rail using our mid and end clamps. Okay, now we're into the final few steps. Next up, you'll see us installing the rodent protection around the perimeter of the arrays. This helps keep birds and other small animals from making homes underneath the panels. And there you have it, a complete solar system installation. That's pretty much it. After this, we'll still need to complete the final inspection and witness test, but aside from that, this homeowner will be able to start using their solar energy right away. Hey guys, we hope you enjoyed this behind the scenes look at a solar installation. If you have any questions or want to share your own solar experience, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you next time.